Hi all, Dave here. Just kind of gonna go over what I have going for my plants. Today I am going to chop down and probably put this into my composting bin. It is my long English cucumber that I've been growing, but it's pretty much losing all of its fruit. And because I think my EC and fertilizer levels are way too high. I've only got one fruit left on it. It is that one right there. I don't know if we can see that. Yeah, there we go. It's been kind of that size for about a week now, so I don't think it's growing any. Whereas I have these ones here, as you can see, they're quite a bit bigger, and they grew probably quite a few, probably quite a few weeks after this plant here. So these ones are doing really well. They've got huge leaves, as you can see right there and over here. So I mean, we're getting lots of big fruit. I mean, there's lots of fruit on these. I got to trim them down a little bit and do some maintenance on them here in the next day or so, but other than that, I mean, I've got two big ones down there, and then I can see that one there, and maybe these other ones here coming along fairly quick. So I don't think it's gonna be too long. But yeah, so I think this one's going to be on the cull pile today, and I'll have to figure out something else for that pot down there, which I think I'm going to put some peppers in, because I have some more peppers in my greenhouse over there, just at the bottom. And you can see there's quite a bit of moisture in there right now, so I'm gonna have to open that up. Got my potatoes still growing. They're not I still haven't seen any potatoes inside the soil. I've kind of dug down in these today just to check them, and I don't see anything, but there is a lot more root activity going on. And then we have my lettuce, which is growing like mad. Some garlic, which I don't think is going to happen. And then I've got some cilantro over here. And then the other thing I've got going is inside the greenhouse, which is my seedlings, which here we'll see about opening these up. And you can see we've got some right there. We have the cucamelons. We have some heirloom tomatoes, kind of like a rainbow variety right here. They're kind of coming along really nice. I have the pak choi. I think that one's Toy Choy, and then I have another one there that is White Dwarf. I could have them backwards here. Let's see. Yeah, White Dwarf on that side, and then pak choi, Toy Choy on this side. Got the little cucamelons, kind of little cute little things. And yeah, and then some other transplants that I've got going on over there. Here's my pepper plants. Got to do a little bit of maintenance on those. There's the two 4-inch pots that I'm going to probably put into the bigger 3-gallon bucket. And then I have nice, where is it? Trying to find it. There it is. Got some peppers starting. Got quite a few going on, so probably another couple weeks or so probably be able to harvest those. And as long as I keep them in this greenhouse, they'll keep nice and hot. But we'll see how that goes. But other than that, that's my that's what I've got going right now. And there's the little orange seedling that where is it? There we go. Little orange seedling from a mandarin orange that my 7-year-old had planted about a year ago. It kind of lost all its leaves, and now it's growing some new ones. So that's a good thing. Hopefully that comes along. And yeah, so that's all I've got going on today.